A lot of legs to grab, buddy.
Get up, get up. There you go. There you go. Throw it out, throw it out.
You'll get it. Cradle him.
Yeah. There you go.
Come on, bust him down, buddy.
There you go.
Drive it.
Come on.
Drive hard. Stack him up. There you go. You got him.
Careful.
He's right there.
Stay on, Logan. Stand up.
Settle in, buddy. A lot of time. A lot of time. All right.
Yep. That's all right.
Turn him again.
There you go.
Be afraid to cradle him.
Stay on. Stay on top.
You got blood? All right, we're on. All right, Lo, good start. Triage over here.
Yep, yep.
Let's go, Lo. We need 6.
Come on, Nico.
All right, Lo, ride him out. Let's go. Break him down.
Let's go, Nick. Oh!
Good job.
Stand up. Stand up.
Flatten him out. Flatten him out. Drive it again.
Yep.
Doing flat would help.
Yeah, you did. There you go. There you go.
Throw a leg in there and stack him up.
Face.
There you go. Looking pretty good, Logan.
Stand up, Logan. Stand.
35 seconds, Logan.
That's yours. That's yours. There you go.
Keep him down. There you go. Suck it in. Squeeze him.
Roll, Nico. Roll.
It's okay. You're right there.
You got 15 seconds, Logan.
Stand up.
All right.
There you go. There you go.
Hurry, Logan. 3 seconds. All
Yeah. Don't let him out.
right.
There you go.
Good job. We need 6, bud. We don't need 5. We need we need 6 on the big board. Is what we need. There. I believe that's 8 to nothing, ain't it?
How do you get 21 points? How do you get that?
Well, they got 3 forfeits and 3 points, so
Oh, gotcha. Gotcha.
yeah.
There you go. Get out of there.
Oh, geez, that's a little easy, I guess.
Got out. That's all.
Ah, you got out. All right, Lo, let's work takedowns.
You gotta give him a point.
It's 9.
Oh, that's a 9. Gotcha.
Yeah, I need some light bulbs.
There you go.
That's too easy. Come on, Lo, we gotta pin him here. Let's go. Pin him this time. Right there. Settle in.
Hang on. There you go.
Come on back. Pull him back a little. There you go. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. Attaboy.
Nice job.
That's all we needed. Good job, Hermson. Way to go, Logo.